Spirit of Caribbean Arts, SOCA, History in Motion, celebrated resistance, drum with purpose. This drum workshop was a free community event featuring drumming and cultural expression to honor Caribbean roots and rhythms. One SOCA is a non-profit organization dedicated to preserving and promoting Caribbean culture through arts education, storytelling, and community engagement.
Okay, so today I'm here to teach the Boys and Girls Club. I'm working with the organization SOCA Cultural Arts. My job here is to come and teach a drum workshop today. So I'll be doing basic work with them, teaching them where the drums came from and teaching them some rhythms that goes with drumming. I would love to tell you more about how SOCA Arts came about, but today it's a busy day. We're waiting on the kids to start their program. All right. Anybody want to reach me under Keith Pascal, K-Pass Drummers. I have a group of drummers and we go all over and do workshops with anybody who is interested in coming out and drum. So today I'm here to do that. So I'll give you a little taste of the Thai style of drumming I do. And the style of drumming I do is Caribbean style of drumming. Little African, but mostly Caribbean style. And if you notice, I play the drum on the side. Most people, they play the drum right in front of them. But with me being a multi-talented artist, I play to the side so I could move. Plus, I could talk to you, keep the rhythm going without missing a beat. And even sing folk songs, calypso, spirituals. I come and me want go home. Day oh, I come and me want go. Take 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot punch. I come and me want go home. 6 foot, 7 foot. There's what we call Swazi, small, African type rhythm. Well, hello, Africa. How you doing, Africa? Hello, Africa. How you doing, Africa? Tell me, how you doing, Africa? Thank you. Right, you're doing a rosary, but this time you're doing one stop. Okay? Ready? And.
I'm Angela. I'm here with the SOCA organization with Tashia Anton. She has formed this organization about a year ago. She had the Kids Club before with CHE. She's done a lot of work for and in the community. She is an amazing person and should be awarded for something because she's done so much for the community, the Black community that is. So I'm just here to give her support. And it will continue because she has the Kids Club every year. So far she's had it for about 4 years. And now doing this, and then there's going to be a March break. I think there's going to be something for children during the March break. And so, yeah, I'm just here to support her. And that's it. Thank you.
Our mission focuses on connecting generations, uplifting youth, and using culture as a tool for healing and empowerment. Get involved. Youth programming offers hands-on workshops in music, steel pan drumming, costume design, moss making, and dance to build pride and transferable skills. Cultural preservation keeps traditions alive through events that honor history, example emancipation, and the living memory of Caribbean resilience. Education partners with schools and community centers to integrate Caribbean arts into learning, fostering identity and leadership among racialized youth. Get involved. You can support our mission to educate, preserve, and promote in several ways. Volunteer, donate, or participate.
Ready, and ready, pam, padam, padam, 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on, stop now, do it. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3. Stop, ready, and. Good, ready, same thing, ready, and. Ready, and. So, the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just stand alone. Ready, and. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. So we put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Ready, and.